Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Earlier this year, my friend and National Photography Award winner Marissa Teal fired me a message saying that she was going to be in town for a little bit, and could she stop by my shop with her gear and do some photography of me doing my thing, because she'd never shot a woodworker before and she thought it'd be fun. And I said, of course, absolutely, you can do that. But one of the shots that she wanted to get was me turning at my lathe. And the way my shop is set up, that shot is almost impossible to get with my lathe up against the wall over there. So in order to get that shot, we would need to move my lathe over to my workbench. In order for me to turn at my workbench, I need to be about another 9 inches off the floor to be able to comfortably do that. So I thought, why don't I make a dovetailed step stool platform thing that she can shoot me making, so that I can stand on it, so that we can get that shot here at the bench of me turning at my lathe. So that's what this video is. It's me making this shop stool for the sole purpose of being able to get up higher at my bench so that I could turn so that she could get that shot. This is also the video that is officially announcing that 13 of those beautiful shots that she got that day are in the Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff 2023 wall calendar, which is for sale. There's a link down below to my Etsy store where you can go find this. Great way to support what I do here out in the shop. Get yourself a little piece of memorabilia. Limited edition. These are all hand signed and numbered. As of the filming of this video, there are only 19 left. So if you're interested, head over there and get your hands on one of those. And let's watch as I make this shop step stool platform thing for the sole purpose of being able to make something in my shop that utilizes most of my tools so that she could get a variety of different shots, and get me off the ground a little higher so that she can get the shot of me turning at the lathe. There we go. That is the step platform, I guess we'll call it. And reminder, get your hands on one of these remaining Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff 2023 calendars at the link below in my Etsy store. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. Bye for now. I'm a calendar. What? Never in a million years would I have thought that I'd be a calendar.